Got an OZJ file for GPS mapping and navigation? This is calibrated map data from OziExplorer, the popular GPS mapping software for outdoor navigation. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through using these OziExplorer map data files. Keep watching until the end. This solution is entirely reliant on one powerful OZJ file inspection tool that you can use for hundreds of other file issues and formats. An .OZJ file is a configuration and data file used by OziExplorer, a popular GPS mapping software. It contains essential information like map calibration points, waypoints, and track logs. Users interact with this file when loading custom maps or navigational data for off-road travel, hiking, or marine activities. The .OZJ file is a proprietary binary format designed to store a collection of map-related objects efficiently. It works in conjunction with a corresponding image file and contains the georeferencing data that links pixel coordinates on the map image to real-world geographic coordinates, enabling GPS tracking. To maintain file fidelity, use OziExplorer developed by Des Newman to open OZJ. Metadata editing, crucial for this file, requires a specific application beyond standard Windows viewers. Windows cannot display GIS formats meaningfully, so dedicated GIS tools are needed. To begin troubleshooting, right-click the OZJ file and choose Open With. If you have OziExplorer available, that's your first option. Otherwise, select another program. It's often necessary to test multiple apps. If your OZJ file still refuses to open, stay calm. Given the primary failure, we need precision. Execute these 3 specific troubleshooting moves to identify why the OZJ file won't cooperate. First, opening in OziExplorer. Launch OziExplorer and use File then Load Map to open the OZJ map file. OziExplorer reads the JPEG image data and accompanying calibration file displaying the map with GPS coordinate overlays. Connect a GPS receiver to enable real-time position tracking on the calibrated map for navigation use. Next, using OziExplorer Mobile. Transfer OZJ files to mobile devices running OziExplorer for Android or compatible mobile mapping applications. The mobile version uses OZJ maps for offline navigation in areas without cellular coverage. Copy both the OZJ file and associated map calibration file to maintain proper georeferencing on the mobile device. Finally, converting map formats. Use tools like IMG2OZF or Global Mapper to convert OZJ files to other GPS map formats like GeoTIFF, KMZ, or MB-Tiles. This enables use in alternative GPS applications like Garmin Basecamp, QGIS, or Avenza Maps. Convert maps based on your target navigation device or software platform requirements. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.